previous video I have explained about the present perfect present indefinite passive voice and also the present continuous passive voice. And previous of these both videos I have explained the basic of passive voice, means what is the passive voice. So here in this session we will I will completely explain about the passive voice condition and how you can convert in active voice in the passive voice with the help of rules and with the help of three conditions: negative, interrogative or simple condition. So let's start to explain it. And also I will discuss about also this video help you to help you to all students guys in the competitive exams, because the in the grammar everyone can speak English easily in this type of condition, but we have to some doubts about the grammar when we solve any question in the examination. So some basic rules also we must need to know about to fight any competition. So let's start without any delay. We started this video with the help of example. Okay, so let's start. First slide, it is the affirmative condition of present perfect passive voice. So here is the formula of active voice condition. It is the subject. Active voice means what? Active voice means the tense, present perfect tense. Okay, and the passive voice is the conversion of active voice in the passive voice. In the passive voice condition, what is the passive voice? When we are two persons are talking about the third person, मतलब जब दो व्यक्ति आपस में बात कर रहे हैं किसी तीसरे के बारे में, तो दैट इज़ द पैसिव वॉइस कंडीशन. बट व्हाट इज़ द एक्टिव वॉइस कंडीशन? वेयर द person who is involving to do that work, it is the active voice condition. Okay, so what is the passive voice? Means we are talking, two persons are talking about the third person, it is the passive voice. Okay, so here is the formula of the active voice is subject plus has have plus verb third form plus object. And what is the formula of passive voice? When the subject comes last and objects come first, and also being involved with helping verb. Okay, so it is the passive voice condition. So here is some example that Amit has played football. So here Amit is playing, है ना, and Amit is the subject, and what is the object here? It is the football. Football is the object. Okay, so when we convert it in the passive voice condition, so what we will do, the football is the object, so it will come first, and then has been come, and then third form of the verb, and फिर last में by subject. Okay, so this is the condition. Okay, next one is the has he played football? He has played football. So football is the object and he is the subject. Okay, so football has been played by him. They have played football. So football has been played by them. Okay, next slide, here is the negative condition of the passive voice, present perfect. So she has not cooked the food. The food has not been cooked by her. Her is the reflexive pronoun of she. Okay, nobody has done this work. So nobody has done it is a negative weak condition of sentence, because no one, nobody, it is the negative. किसी ने यह काम नहीं किया. No one has done this work. Okay, so this is the negative condition. So in this sentence, what is the object? What is the object in this sentence? You can see here, it is the object. This is the object and nobody is the subject. Okay, so when we convert it in the passive voice condition, so what will be? This comes first. Okay, this has never been done before. Why? ऐसा कभी किसी ने नहीं किया, तो this has never been done before by anyone. Okay, I haven't made this lesson, so that lesson has not been made by. Okay, so this is the condition. Okay, next one is the interrogative condition. So have you called? So in interrogative condition, has have comes first, then subject plus past participle plus object. So what is the passive voice condition here? Has have plus object plus been plus past participle plus by plus subject. Have you called him yet? तुमने अभी तक उसे कॉल किया? तो has he been called yet? By you can use also use you. तो has he been called yet माने अभी तक. तो has Jyoti invited you to the party? तो have you been invited to the party by her? Okay, so these are the conditions of the passive present perfect passive voice condition, and I have used few example to explain this condition. So you try to make more examples related to this passive voice condition to get more understood. Okay, so thank you for watching.